Hi, this is Chris with K&T Window Cleaning. We're doing some screen repair today. As you can see, the screen is really weathered. It's old, it's real brittle, so what we're going to do is replace that. We're going to replace the spline that's holding the screen in place, and then we're going to check the four corners. The corners have a plastic piece. If that gets weathered, it can crack or even break. So we're going to take a look at that. Right now, I have a screen already set up. I have my spline already pre-cut. So what we're going to do is use a roller and start at one end, roll it in, making sure everything gets into the groove. Once that's in, we're just going to do that all the way around all four corners. Actually, we're going to start on this side. One thing that I found out is you don't want to really pull too hard on the screening. You don't want it too taut, but you want it not flapping in the wind also. If you pull it too hard as you're putting that in, the spline in, it will start bending the frame. So you just want to let the spline going into the groove do the pulling, most of the pulling. Now you straighten it out, that's fine. All done. Now we just cut off the sides and this screen's done.